if you receive message sim card not supported error on your iPhone. And if you are also facing this issue, the first workaround is restart your iPhone. Simply shut down your iPhone and restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve various major issues of your iPhone. And now check your sim card supported error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The second workaround to fix this issue is tap on settings, and here go to general settings and go to about, and here you will find the option carrier lock. Check no SIM restriction. If any carrier lock you message you will find, then unlock your carrier. Here no SIM restrictions is showing, so it is clear. The next workaround is again tap on settings, scroll down, tap on general settings and go to transfer or reset iPhone. Here tap on reset and choose reset network settings. It may be a network related issue, so reset network settings of your iPhone. The next method to fix this issue is again go to settings, tap on general, tap on software update and check for updates. If any software updates available, simply download and install in your iPhone. As you can see, iOS 17.2 is up to date.